Adaku, what is it?
Come back here. Awele, you did not see me. Can't you greet?
I don't understand, Adaku.
Why must I greet you? Are you mad? What? Don't you have respect? Adaku, you slapped me. Yes. Who is this one? Awele, you hit me.
You are lucky I'm in a good mood today. I could have given you a beating of your life.
Hey, Awele, you raise your hand on me. Don't worry, we shall see.
Adaku, may the gods of our land curse you for laying your hands on me.
Stupid girl! You are lucky! Hey! That stupid Awele. On my way coming to this place, I saw her and she called me and asked me if I cannot greet. Before I could explain myself, she gave me a dirty slap.
Awele slapped you?
Yes. I was just trying to explain myself. I did not even utter a word. She gave me a dirty slap and she told me to my face that I cannot do anything. I should go and report to anybody.
Awele slapped you because you didn't greet her?
Yes.
Ha! She will test my wrath today. Come with me.
Onye si na anyị adọdụkwa, onye sikwa na anyị adọ ya adọkwa na o.
Ise!
Anyị bịa adọ. Ha nwe igwu ini, anyị nwere mgbochi ini o.
Ise!
Asị m Amaka meghekwara anyị. Ka ha bụ ihe niile kwuru eziokwu, ihe ọma meghelefa.
Ise!
Amadi aha nnukwu mmụọ. Amadi aha oke mmọnwụ. Amadi aha onye a bụ ebe kwuo mebe ihe ayọrọ ya. Asị na adọkwara anyị na mma o. Ya gaziere anyị o.
Ise!
Ba anyị bụ ụmụ dim ya adọkwa mma o.
Ise!
Onye na-achụ anyị nwa ada, anyị nwa nwere nwa ọsọ.
Ise!
Nke anyị na-achụ anyị enwude, nke na-achụ anyị efụkwa anyị o.
Ise!
Hey! Amadi aha oke mmọnwụ. Amadi aha nnukwu mmụọ. Ya gazikwa.
One and only Adaku. Slap yourself 3 times.
Obidike, it's not true. I swear by Amadioha, the god of peace and thunder, she was the one who slapped me first.
Me? Me, Adaku, slap you? Why are you lying, Awele? Why are you like this?
I said slap yourself.
Obidike, because
3 times, or you want me to do? You want me to do it for you? Ada! More heavy. My love, come. Enjoy yourself. I said slap her! Slap her! Beat her up! Beat her up! Beat her up!
Awele, who did this to your face? Mama, it's a long story. How is your father?
My father is fine. But I insist you tell me who did this to your face.
I was walking down the stream this morning. When I walked past Adaku, she called me back and insisted I greet her.
Wait. Which Adaku are you talking about? You mean Obidike's beloved?
Yes. She stopped me and requested I greeted her. Before I knew it, she slapped me. And I beat her back. She went and told Obidike about it. He summoned me and they both beat me up.
That useless Obidike that goes around this village causing havoc. You know what? I am going to tell my father about this.
Hey, Mbao! No, please. Mirima, haven't gotten to that. I don't want you to tell your father. You know he's the sacred servant of Amadioha, the god of peace and thunder. He might send thunder upon them, which I don't want that to happen.
But Awele, they cannot do this to you and go scot-free. You know what? I am going to give you some herbs so that you can drink and also apply on your bruises for it to heal fast.
That's so thoughtful of you, my friend. Thank you.
Adobe, that thing that man is holding is not looking like yam. Adobe. Child. You and Nyame.
Come back here! Come back!
What is going on?
Hey!
My love, this is the man that is looking for you.
Good day, young man.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how may I help you?
Well, my name is Christopher Madedi from Limpopo, South Africa. I am a collector of arts and sculpture. Yes, I have come with a very sophisticated and Gangatron business. Yes, that I would really like you to be a part of. If you don't mind. can we step aside and have a tete-a-tete or a two aside?
There'll be no need for that. Adako here is the love of my life, so speak.
All right. What do I call you, please?
Obidike.
Oh, Monsieur Obidike. Yes, please. Yes, I heard from good authority that you are one of the most astute, dogged, rugged, fearless, and indefatigable warrior in this kingdom. So I have come to you because this business would need someone with great sagacity and dexterity. Tell me, Monsieur Obidike, are you good to go?
Let me hear.
Good. And I shall be willing to reward you handsomely and immensely up to the sum of 10 bags of cowries. Yes, 10 bags of cowries.
All right, speak, and it shall be done.
Yes. I would like you to excavate, lift the sacred mask of Amadioha.
What?
Adobe, what is it? Why are you crying?
What type of life is this? Huh? Since yesterday we have not eaten, and up till now we haven't eaten.
What do we do now? Our only brother has left this house since morning. I wish Papa and Mama were still alive.
We have no option, no. But to go and meet Mazi Okeke to give us yam. Because me, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Mazi Okeke. The last time we went there, he sent us out. He even insulted us. See, I'm not sure if I can go there again, no. I can't.
You should try. You should try. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.
It's okay.
What is it? What is going on? Eh? Why are you crying? What is going on? Eh?
We are hungry. We haven't eaten since yesterday.
But I came back yesterday and you two were already sleeping.
Brother, we did not eat anything. We were waiting for you and then we slept off. When we woke up this morning, you had left already. But now we are very hungry. Oh.
Hey, so there is no yam in this house?
Nothing. There's nothing inside.
What about Apomele?
But that there is nothing. You can go and check. There's nothing.
Nothing at all. Nothing.
Are you very hungry?
I'm hungry. I'm very hungry.
Very, very hungry.
I'm very hungry.
But that me too, I'm hungry. Oh. Me, I'm hungry.
But I do something, no. Me, I'm hungry.
Obi, you have to consider the visitor offer. I know you as a strong man. We are talking about 10 bags of cowries here. 10 bags of cowries. Huh? Don't you use some of the money to cultivate yam this season and also marry me?
Amadoha is a god of peace and thunder. And my grandfather told me how it killed all the white men that came to buy slaves from our village many decades ago. Amadoha is powerful.
So you still believe those stories our forefathers and our fathers told us? Some of them are lies.
My sisters are very hungry. I am hungry too.
Okay. Obi, this is what I'm talking about. Let's steal the sacred marks of Amadioha and sell it to the visitor. You use the money you'll be providing for your sister and also get married to me. Remember, you promised to get married to me. Or don't you want me to be your wife again?
When I was leaving the house this morning, my sisters were crying that they haven't eaten since yesterday, and even this morning. I'm so confused.
What are you confused about? What are you confused about? Do this thing. Let's steal it and sell it out.
Okay.
Let's better our lives.
Okay. You are the master planner.
Good.
Now, how do we invade the sacred shrine of Amadioha and steal the mask?
Good.
Greetings, Mirima.
Greetings.
Greetings, Mirima.
Greetings.
Greetings, sacred daughter of Amadio.
Greetings, Adako.
Mirima, I'm sorry for what happened the last time. It was a mistake. I promise it will not happen again. Please forgive me. Please. Please.
It's okay, Adako. I forgive you.
Thank you.
Let's allow peace to reign. You can stand up.
Okay. Thank you. Mirima, why are you not with your father? I'm sure he's in the sacred shrine of Amadioha. Why are you here?
I am going to tell you because you are my fellow maiden.
Okay.
Oh, well, it's because I am seeing my flower. It is forbidden for a maiden to go into the shrine of Amadioha whenever she's seeing her flower.
Hey. And if the person insists?
That is because the flower of a woman deactivates the power of the gods. Yes, it blinds them. They hate it.
Hey. Okay, I see.
Since we are good now, come and help me pluck some leaves.
Yes, let me help you.
No. Pluck from that one. Now, this is called the magic leaf. Yes, it is used to cure waist pain and joint pains.
Sorry. You'll be fine, bro. Nothing will happen to you. Gods of our land, what is happening? My only sister has been sick for the past 4 Eke market days. And all the herbs I've been giving her, none is working. I think I will have to visit Abogidi to help me beg Amadioha to cure my sister. I don't want anything to happen to her.
Oh, babe. Call me sweet names.
Adam.
Mm-hmm.
Odimnobi. Odalam Mecham. My one and only Adako.
Say it again.
Tatam. Woma. Ugebem Jemba. You know I love you so much.
And I love you too. My love.
Yes.
I have gotten a solution on how to blind the eyes of Amadioha and take away the sacred mask.
Really?
Yes.
How?
Good. I had a discussion with Mirima, and she told me when a maiden sees a flower, she's forbidden to enter the shrine. Reason be that it will deactivate the power of the gods. Yes.
This is interesting. So, what's the plan now?
Good. On the next half a market day, I will be seeing my flower. I will go into the sacred shrine and steal the sacred mask and bring it to you. Then we sell it off to the visitor.
Great! That is my Adako.
Good.
This is the reason I love you so much.
And I love you too.
Because the gods give you so much wisdom. Come here. I am going to marry you. I will make you my wife. Okay? Okay, let us go inside. Let me scratch your back a little. Let me go and scratch it.
Sacred one, Mirima, here are some yams I brought for you to seek your face. My sister is seriously sick. I need you to help her. She's the only one I have. Please, Sacred One, I want Amadioha to heal her for me. Biko.
Nambiko, please listen to her cry and beg Amadioha to help heal her sick sister. Biko.
Amadioha, okay, mom. Amadioha is a god of peace and justice. These are the last tubers of yam from your barn.
Yes, Sacred One.
Amadioha is not a god that milks its people dry. Amadioha provides for its people. It has seen your good heart and pure spirit. Go home. Take your yams with you. When you get home, prepare a meal for your sister. Amadioha has instructed me to come and attend to her.
Hey, thank you, Wise One. Thank you, Mirima.
Thank you so much,
Thank you. Greetings, Mirima, daughter of Abogidi.
Greetings, Ugoma.
How are you?
I am very fine.
Let me get there some water from this stream.
Go well.
Thank you.
Greetings, Milima, daughter of the Sacred One.
Greetings, Obidike, son of late Chukwu.
I was on my way to your house to see your father, but thanks to gods I met you here.
Well, you can still go to my house. My father, Abogidi, is at home.
No, there will be no need for that. You see, I only wanted to come and ask the days that you and your father goes to the shrine of Amadioha. Because I have a land case I want to come and report to Amadioha. Yes, you see, my uncle wants to take the only piece of land that my father left for I and my sister. The only piece of land.
Well, we only go to Amadioha's shrine only on Eke market days. But wait, your late father was an only son. You don't have any uncle?
Yes, I'm not talking about my father's brother. I am talking about my uncle from my mother's side.
My father clearly told me that your mother is from Newi, which is very far from here. How come they are dragging land with you?
Don't worry. On Eke Market Day, I will be there to see your father, eh?
Obidike, my love, how did it go?
Mirima is so wise. She almost caught me that I lied.
How?
My dear, you know I told her that I wanted to find out the days they go to the shrine, so we will know when to attack and lift the head of Amadioha. But she finally told me that they go to the shrine on Eke market days.
Oh, okay.
So I now lied to her again that I wanted to bring a case of a land dispute I'm having with my uncle to the shrine. She now told me that I don't have any uncle.
Hey.
I now immediately lied again that the uncle is from my mother's side. Now she now reminded me that my mother is from Newi. That is very far from our land.
Hey.
I was so surprised how she knew almost everything about my family.
Have you forgotten our father is the Dibia of this land? He knows almost everybody in this our small village. After that, hope you did not say anything again.
No. Good. I left immediately I saw danger.
Don't worry, eh? Next after market day, we will attack. I'll be seeing my flower by then.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm tired now. I need to go and rest.
Me too.
Yes.
Let's go. Give this to your sister to drink.
Wise one. Mary Ma. How really?
Lie back down. You are not yet strong enough to get up. It is from tomorrow that you will stand up. Make sure she drinks a lot of water. She's okay.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you, Mary Ma.
Thank you, wise one. Mirima, thank you. God.
I'll take my leave now.
Goodbye.
Can you see? Can you talk?
Yes. I can see the dark.
Hey, there's the God.
Would you want them more? Adobe. What is it? Are you still crying?
I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Brother, she has been crying since you left. And I've been trying to calm her down.
It's okay. I went out and I'm back for good. Oh yeah, you two take. Go and prepare, let's eat.
This miserable yam. We have not eaten for 2 days. This one will not be enough for me.
What do you mean? Go and prepare the yam, let's eat. Is there oil? Go and prepare food. I am hungry. I am also hungry. I have not eaten for 2 days too.
Brother, so you still went to borrow yam?
My sisters, this is rainy season and also our planting season. We have no more yams in the barn. Okay? I had to go and borrow so that we can feed.
When will you stop borrowing? Soon all the villagers will be laughing at us. But anyways, me, I have to eat too. I have to eat.
Oh yeah, go and prepare. Listen.
Let's go. Let's go.
Where are you going to? Come back here. Go here.
Brother, don't worry. Just wait for us.
Look at her. This Miss Driver yam. As if you have seen any since 2 days now.
What is skipping?
Don't worry, I believe he'll be here soon, okay?
You don't go so that the villagers will not see us.
Aha.
Hello.
Ah, good day, Monsieur Obidike.
Good day, sir.
You're welcome, Adaku. So tell me, are you now magnanimously ready to accept the offer?
Yes. And I want you to come here the next Afro Market Day and pick it up. And also make sure that the car race will be ready then too.
Oh, sure. The bags are ready. The cowries are ready. I am eminently qualified to overload you with bags of cowries to reward your dexterity. Yes.
Okay, we will be waiting.
Absolutely. And I shall be expecting.
All right, we leave now to avoid the sight of the villagers.
Yes, Mr. Obidike. Yes. All right. Yes. I can't wait to lay my hands on the sacred mask of Amadio. As they say, the struggle continues. Victory is sure. A luta continua. Victoria es certa.
What is it? Talk to me. What is it?
Ikema, I had a bad dream.
Bad dream. Hope all is well.
Yes?
You are sure? I'm headed to the stream. I want to go and fetch water.
Okay.
Take care.
What kind of dream is this? I think I will have to see the sacred family to inform them about this. Miruma, I had a terrible dream this afternoon.
A terrible dream.
Yes.
Please tell me about it.
In that dream, your father was sitting at this exact spot when Adaku appeared here, and she walked slowly towards him and stabbed him from the back. Immediately, I woke up.
Adaku stabbed my father.
Yes.
At this exact spot.
Yes.
This is very strange. I have to tell my father about this dream.
Please do. It's very important.
Mamma mia! Oh, Monsieur Obidike!
Hey, yes. Stop there. Where is my money?
Yes, where is the money?
Oh, your money? I will give you your carries. Oh.
Count it.
1, 2,
Count it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Complete?
Yes.
I hope it's complete inside.
Very complete.
Now listen. From today henceforth, you don't know me.
And I do not know you.
Good.
All right. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Yes.
I will take this way to my house. Let me keep the money.
No, my love. I will keep it. Men keep money better.
But you know I stay alone. My parents are dead. And the money will be safer with me.
I said I will keep the money. Don't you trust me with the money?
Not at all. Not that I don't trust you. But you know that your sister Adobe, that is always hungry. She might steal for this money and get herself yam. You know she loves yam so much.
You're not calling my sister a thief.
No, I'm not saying your sister is a thief. But you know an hungry man is an angry man.
Okay, let's say she wants to take some calories from this money. Is she going to take the whole 10 bags to buy yam?
You never can tell. Let me keep the money.
My love, I will keep the money better. It is for us.
Okay, it's fine. I'll be going to my house now before the DBR raises alarm about the missing sacred mask.
Okay.
Take care of yourself. Okay.
It's not even a hug.
Okay, be fine. Be careful.
sacred mask of Amadioha? Chimo. Who took it? Hey! Chimo. Hey! Who took the sacred mask of Amadioha? Hello. Abomination.
Wise one! Hey! Wise one! The worst has happened.
Nothing can be worse than the sacred mask of Amadioha have been stolen.
Hey! Chimo! Hey! Wise one! On my way to the farm, I saw the dead body of your daughter, Mirima.
You saw what?
Mirima's body.
Chimegbuom.
Ujungwa! Come on, Tim.
Brother, what is it?
Who took the 10 bags of cowries I kept under my bed?
10 bags of cowries! Ha!
I said, who took the 10 bags of cowries that I kept under my bed?
We don't know. Me, I did not see any bag of cowries. So. But wait, brother. So you have 10 bags of cowries in this house, and we have been suffering. To the extent that you even borrowed yam.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Is anything wrong with you?
Borrowed yam? Obidike, why will you allow your sisters to borrow yam when we have 10 bags of cowries? Give them money to go and get food stuff.
Exactly what we are talking about. I went inside to check on the money, but I couldn't find it. And I'm asking them who took the 10 bags of cowries, and they're telling me they didn't see it.
Obidike, repeat yourself. I don't understand.
I said I'm looking for the money.
Are you serious? Obidike, 10 bags of cowries after what we went through? The extent we saw the visitor.
Wait. Stranger, visitor, so I don't understand.
Shut up, come on. Shut bags of cowries.
Me, whether the visitor or the stray, I don't know. But that me, I'm hungry. I want to eat. My stomach is doing me so I want to eat. I'm hungry.
That hunger will kill you. Amadioha will scatter you. Amadioha will scatter you.
Which Amadioha will scatter? The one but of us. Which Amadioha?
But wait, what are they even talking about? Amadioha.
See me, I'm hungry. Just leave me alone.
What is wrong with this one? Adobe, come here. Adobe.
I know you are sad, but please brighten up.
How can I brighten up when my only daughter is dead and the sacred mask of Amadioha has been stolen? Gods of our land, what wrong have I done? What did I do wrong to deserve this? This pain, this embarrassment? Can even mellow.
Wise one, the gods of our land knows the best, eh? Please, just cheer up.
Mirimma, my daughter, whoever has a hand in your death shall not go unpunished.
You see,
the gods of our land and our journey will haunt them.
you see.
Hagari Nwudo.
Now the sacred mask of Amadioha is gone. Mirima is dead. The cowboys disappeared. What type of mission is this?
What do we do?
I don't know. Blood stains on my hands. Would the gods ever forgive me?
Then we should confess to the Dibia. We should tell him everything.
What?
Yes.
Don't even suggest that again. The villagers will bury us alive.
Then what do we do now?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Hey! Obonso! Hello, Mello. Msala. In the history of the great kingdom of Umudim, it has never been heard that the sacred mask of Amadioha was stolen. Ah! Such an abomination has never happened. It has never been heard that the sacred mask of Amadioha was taken. Ah! Now the elders want me to come on the next Eke market day and explain to them what has happened. Gods of our land, Una Wazilonkete. Do not allow me to suffer this embarrassment. Hey! Okwa na alo. Alo kwa nwa. Alo kwa nwa.
Uju! Adobe, what is I'm off to the stream. I'm very hungry. I want to go and fetch water and drink before you hear your sister is dead though. I'm very hungry. Every time, hungry, hungry, hungry. I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry. Ah!
What are you doing on the ground? Stand up! Ujungwa. Uju. Ujungwa. Uju. Ujungwa. Ujungwa. Ujungwa! No! Uju. Uju, wake up, wake up, wake up. Uju.
Good day, Papa. Papa, I brought water for you.
Oh, you brought water for me?
Yes, Papa.
Ah, oh, thank you. How did you know that I needed fresh water?
Don't worry, Papa. Where should I drop it?
The front of the hut.
Okay, Papa.
Oh. Thank you for the water.
You're welcome. Should I prepare food for you? Your favorite, egusi and pounded yam.
How do you know that egusi and pounded yam is my favorite?
Don't worry, Papa. Should I go and make fire?
You're free.
Okay, Papa. Don't worry, just wait.
Hey. Nokwa.
Hey! I don't know what my sister did to anybody.
Uju, such a nice person. Stop crying. I don't want you to see. Adobe, please stop crying.
Uju!
The ghost will fight for her. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Uju!
Adobe, please stop crying. Oh,
don't cry. Also,
stop crying. Adobe, please. I don't want It's okay. It's okay. I know. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Take heart. Adobe, please. Oh, Adobe.
I know it's okay. Oh, beware.
Chukwu, my sister is dead. What did I do to deserve this? The worst is that I don't even know what killed her. Eh?
I'm sorry.
Oh, wait. Does it mean that it was Amadioha that killed my sister?
Do you think so?
Because, no, it can't be. Because if he has to start killing, the killing should have started from you because you are the one that lifted up the head from the position.
How sure are you Amadioha have not killed me?
Excuse me.
I'm just joking. But my love, if you will listen to me, let's go to the DP and confess.
Gago, please do not bring this up next time. I don't ever want to hear this from your mouth again. Please stop it.
Fine.
Go to who and confess what?
I'm sorry. But I think we should go and confess. Yes.
I can see you're not talking with your right senses. When you are ready to talk, call me.
Awele, please stop crying. Please.
Mirima was the one and only friend I had in this village. Now she's dead. Who will I talk to? What will I do?
Awele, Mirima is not gone. She's always with you. She's here with you.
She's here with me.
Yes.
How?
Even if she's dead, she's here with you. A spirit. Please, I'm here for you.
Adako, you're here for me?
Yes. Anytime, count on me.
You speak in parables.
Joe, just stop crying. You can count on me.
I've been looking for you everywhere. Hey!
The evil that men do lives with them. Welcome to immortality.
Who are you? Espiritu Santos.
What? Hey!
Who is after you?
Nai, I saw Adaku with the sacred marks of Amadioha heading towards the shrine.
I don't understand you. You saw who?
Adaku with the sacred marks of Amadioha.
Nje.
Hey, hey.
Chimo. Hey! Look one. May the gods be praised.
You see?
How? Look one. The sacred mask of Amadioha is back. May Amadioha be praised.
You see?
May Amadioha and the gods of our land be praised.
You see?
Hey!